Alright, so we ended our last PowerPoint when we were talking about nuclear symbols and how to represent them in shorthand, different isotopes. So let's take a look at this example. Now, if you saw helium-4, the 4, that's going to represent the mass number. And we know that helium has an atomic number of 2. And that's because it's the second element on the periodic table, so we know it has 2 protons. So if we think about our earlier shorthand, we had X for the symbol, and then A was our superscript, and Z was our subscript. So A is the mass number. We know that the symbol for helium is He. We know that the mass number for this isotope, remember, because of this number here, is 4. And no matter what the isotope is for helium, I'm automatically going to have a 2 here. The 2 would never change for any isotope of helium. So that is how our answer should look. Like that. All right, let's try another one. We have lithium-7. So I think to myself, all right, lithium has a symbol Li. 7 is the mass number, so I know that's the A value, so 7 goes there, and then I go to the periodic table, and I look up the atomic number for lithium, and it is 3. So 3 protons, an atomic number of 3, and 7 is the mass number. So that's how my answer should look. Now, if you were asked to find the number of neutrons, you would simply say the A number minus the Z number. So in this case, it would be 7 minus 3. So 4 neutrons. Up here, it would be 4 minus 2, it would be 2 neutrons. So if you wanted to figure that out, you could. And our answer should look like that. And then the last one, titanium-48. Well, we know titanium has a symbol Ti. And we know that the mass number is 48. And then we have to look up the value for the atomic number. I believe it's 22. I do not have a periodic table in front of me, but I think it is. And that would be our notation for that. Now let's just see if I was right on the 22. Yeah, I was right. All right, so 48 minus 22 would give us 26 neutrons for that. So you should be able to identify this either way, lithium 7, or be able to write it in nuclear notation and so on. All right, so that's how we go about doing our symbols for isotopes. That's part 2.